morning to all. This is Samba Shivareddy, IIT Chemistry faculty. In last class, we discussed acid, bases and salts chapter neutralization, types of salts we discussed. Today we are going to discuss neutralization in everyday life. Neutralization in everyday life. Already we discussed neutralization in last class. What is neutralization? When an acidic solution is mixed with basic solution to lose the acidic character of an acid and the basic character of that base. Okay, that means that coming substances, new substance, neither acid nor basic substances. That means that is a neutral solution. Okay, today we are going to discuss how to neutralize in daily life situations. Okay, that we are going to discuss one by one. What is today heading is neutralization in everyday life. Neutralization in everyday life. In this one, first one, indigestion. Indigestion process in our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps to us to digest food. Suppose too much of acid present in our stomach, it causes indigestion. That indigestion sometimes painful. To relieve this indigestion, we are taken an antacids. Take an antacid. What is antacid? Antacid is nothing but mild base. Mild base, such as milk of magnesia we are using. Milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia contains MgOH twice, that is magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium hydroxide is neutralize the excess acid present in our stomach. Okay, example here, what is present in our stomach? HCl, that means hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. And what we are using antacids like here, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia that contains magnesium hydroxide. This is milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia. This chemical name is magnesium hydroxide. Okay. What happens here when this is acid, this is base? These two are react to form a salt and water. What happens here? MgCl2 plus water will form. By neutralization process, we are taking like this: 2HCl, MgOH twice to form a magnesium chloride and water. This is magnesium chloride and H2O is water. Okay, this is nothing but neutralization in digestion process. In digestion process, excess of acid is neutralized by milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is an antacid. It is a mild base and it is neutralizes the excess of acid. Okay, this is nothing but glycerin. Glycerin. Generally, we are using glycerin tablets and glycerin syrups for acidic conditions. Okay, and one more example, we are using ENO also. Generally, we are using when indigestion problems, we are using ENO. ENO is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. See how this ENO is react with this excess acid. Again stomach acid, hydrochloric acid, and ENO. What is ENO? ENO contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is react with this acid to form sodium chlorate, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, this is hydrochloric acid, sodium hydrogen carbonate. We are using ENO. This is commonly we are using for indigestion. To relieve from indigestion, we are using ENO. This chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. In commonly we are using in home common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. Baking soda solution also we are using for indigestion process. Okay. Once again listen. The excess of acid in our stomach causes indigestion. That indigestion neutralized by mild bases that are antacids. That antacids like milk of magnesia and sodium hydrogen carbonate solutions we are using. Okay, this milk of magnesia and ENO like these substances neutralize the excess acid in our stomach. This is a indigestion process. Next, second one, ant bite. Second one, ant bite. Second one, ant bite. See, when ant bites, that injects the acidic solution that into the our skin. When ant bites, that ant injects like formic acid into our skin. Okay, this is causes painful. To get relief, we are neutralize the this formic acid. How? When ant bite, we are rubbing with mild basis solutions like baking soda solution and calamine solution. What is baking soda solution? Already we discussed. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution. This is nothing but baking soda. Baking soda and calamine solution. What is calamine solution? Calamine solution is nothing but zinc carbonate solution. Zinc carbonate solution. What is having ant bite? Ant bite injects formic acid. Formic acid. Formic acid formula HCOOH. Formic acid. This is ant bite. Ant injects formic acid into our skin. This acid is neutralized by baking soda solution. This is mild base, and one more basic solution also we can use. This is calamine solution. Calamine solution is nothing but zinc carbonate solution. Zinc carbonate solution. Like this, when ant bite, that acid inject our skin. This acid is neutralized by baking soda solution and calamine solution. Okay, and next third one, soil treatment. Soil treatment. Soil treatment. Generally, we are using chemical fertilizers in agriculture land. The excess of use of chemical fertilizers in soil, that soil becomes too acidic. Okay, the too acidic soil, in this soil the plants do not grow well. Okay, that means when the soil is too acidic or too basic, the plants do not grow well. Okay, that's why suppose the soil is acidic soil, neutralized by quicklime, that is nothing but calcium oxide, and slaked lime. Slaked lime, this is nothing but calcium hydroxide. When the soil is acidic, it is neutralized by quicklime is nothing but calcium oxide, and one more base here, slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. Okay, these are the chemical names of quicklime is calcium oxide, and calcium hydroxide is nothing but slaked lime. Okay, this calcium hydroxide in the liquid form, solution form, we are calling lime water also. When the soil is too basic, when the soil is too basic soil, we can neutralize it by organic matter. This organic matter produces acids. That acids are neutralize the basic nature of soil. Understand? See, once again, soil treatment. The excess of chemical fertilizers we are using in agriculture land, the soil becomes too acidic. When the soil is too acidic, we are treating with quicklime and slaked lime to get neutralization. At the same time, the soil is basic. This basic soil is neutralized by organic matter. This organic matter releases acidic substances. That acids are neutralize this basic nature of the soil. And next one, factory waste. Factory waste. Factory wastes. See, the wastes of many factories contains acids. The wastes of many factories contains acids. These acids flow into water bodies. This acidic water allowed to flow into water bodies. The water bodies contains aquatic animals and aquatic plants, some like fishes, organisms. These are survive in water. Okay, when the acid present in this wastes, these acids kill the fishes and other organisms. That's why when we are this factory wastes introduced into water bodies, before going to introduce this factory waste, we have to neutralize. The acid is neutralized by adding basic solutions. At the same time, the bases are neutralized by adding acidic solutions. See here, factory wastes. Suppose the acidic water we are introducing into water bodies, we have to neutralize by adding basic solutions. At the same time, the bases we are introducing into water bodies, we have to add by adding acidic solutions to get neutralization. Okay, these are the neutralization in everyday life. We discussed one by one. First one, indigestion. Second one, antibiotic. And third one, acidic soil and basic soil treatment. And fourth one, factory waste. These are generally we are observing these neutralizations in everyday life. Okay, thank you.